on behalf of this National Conference on Business Social Partnership. I, Sunita Singh Sengupta, I welcome Shekhar Chaudhary to formally welcome the delegates and speak a few words.
Colleagues and friends, ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed my proud privilege and great pleasure to welcome you all to this institute to participate in the International Conference on Business Social Partnership Beyond Philanthropy. A special word of welcome to those of you who have come from far-off places in this country and abroad. I do hope that all of you had a pleasant trip to this institute and have been taken well care of. To organize this international conference with the theme of Business Social Partnership, the organizing committee consisting of Professor Sengupta, Professor Robin Ganguly and Professor Anup Sinha under the chairmanship of Professor Amitabh and the community at large. I am hopeful that during the next 4 days, the deliberations would result in new directions in which we can move. Most of you are very well acquainted with this institute. Nevertheless, I would like to spend a few minutes to familiarize you with the activities of the institute, especially for those who are visiting for the first time. The Indian Institute of Management, Calcutta was the first IIM, followed by Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. It was in 1961 and Ahmedabad came in 1962. In collaboration with Indian industry, the Ford Foundation, and with active support of the state government. Just a word about why it is called management, Indian Institute of Management, not a business school. I may like to say that management, a business administration is a subset of management. When we talk about management in this institute, we talk about management that can be applied to any kind of situation. Maybe an enterprise, business enterprise, could be an NGO, could be a government, department, organization, and so on. So therefore, we tend to think about management as much more broader than business administration. It came up a few years ago, about 7 or 8 years ago. I may stand corrected because I've just taken over, so I'm not very familiar with all these details. This postgraduate diploma in computer-aided management, which is a program in management developing leaders for industry, which is specialized, which has special focus on the information technology, which is called the fellow program of this institute. Again, it was designed, I think it was set up in around 1970-71 with the intention of developing management educators for the whole for management schools in the country and abroad. Many of our graduates from these programs, postgraduate program as well as the doctoral program, are working abroad, international organizations, and are professors at very well-reputed institutions, management institutions. Another initiative that was taken by this institute was the postgraduate diploma in business management, which is slightly differentiated in terms of the title. It's called business management. It is a 3-year program directed towards developing managerial skills in people who are already practicing managers, and that's basically to cater to the needs of this city as well as region nearby around the city of Calcutta. Latest that's happening in various fields of management. We also have very strong research program, people in different groups, the various functional groups and the disciplines which are underlying the management theory and practice. Research is being carried out in various areas. Several books have been published. Every year, large number of papers are being published in India as well as abroad. I think with this little backdrop about the institute, I would like to once again welcome you to this institute and for this conference, and I hope the deliberations would be very fruitful. Thank you very much.